Good afternoon, this is Sean Ellsworth with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I'm here at 3733 Ocean View Avenue in Los Angeles, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line here on the property. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that are underneath the structure. Our examination today is not focusing on the building drain line system, so further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system. A licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So right here we're looking down into the public sewer. This is under the parking lot of the church, just behind the property, behind this property. I'm going to pull backwards and record. And right here we can see some significant cracking in the line, which is evidence of stress on the pipe in this area. And we'll just push back and take a quick picture of that. We are seeing root intrusion at the joints in the line, and root intrusion at the joints in these clay pipes is considered a common condition and can usually be maintained with regular cleanings. It is left unmaintained for extensive periods that they can start to cause blockages and potentially damage to the pipe. We do have roots limiting visibility in this area. At this point, we've transitioned into a modern ABS plastic pipe here. These plastic pipes are an excellent material for this application. They have an indefinite life expectancy, and they have a very smooth inner surface, which allows for debris to easily wash out. They're also designed to be impervious to root intrusion if installed properly. And are more malleable than other pipe materials, which allows for some earth movement. And right here is our main clean out. This is at the back of the structure. Select the back right corner. So at this point, I'm going to conclude the video portion of the examination. Please refer to the written report for my final findings and recommendations. This is Sean Ellsworth, the Sewer Line Check Professional. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.